Hi, welcome to Data Within Reach and welcome to another Rapid R 3-minute tutorial. Today we're going to learn about the fundamentals of data frames. When you're using R, you're probably working with data and you're going to need a way to organize that data and access it efficiently. That's where data frames come in handy. We've only got 3 minutes, give or take, so let's get started. First, let's create a data frame in R. You can do this by creating several vectors of the same length and combining them into a data frame. Great, now we've got our data frame. Here it is. So let's explore some basic operations, things that you can do with a data frame. You can access individual columns using the $sign operator. So let's pull out the name information from this data frame. You can see it there. Now let's pull out the age information from this data frame. There it is. What you get back is a vector. That's pretty easy, right? Now what if we want to select specific rows or like filter on certain conditions? Well, R provides that capability too. So here we've created a filter looking at the age from the data frame, and we're only pulling out the data that's greater than 25. You know, old people like me. So by using this logical condition, we've created our filtered data frame, which contains only the rows of data where the age is greater than 25. You know, data frames can also sort. It's a lot like the power of Excel, huh? So let's sort this data frame by age in ascending order. Now here we have our sorted data frame, which as we output you can see is sorted by age in ascending order. Just a quick aside, have you noticed that you've got different types of data? You've got numbers and words. That's one of the key capabilities of a data frame. It can combine disparate data into one data type. How about this? Can we add a column to a data frame that already exists? Let's try. Let's add a profession column and put some data in that. So we create a profession vector and we use the $sign to establish that the column heading is called profession. So now your data frame includes a column that lists the individual's professions. And that's pretty much it. That was pretty fast, and we learned a lot about data frames right there. They're very capable. You know, being able to filter and sort, it kind of reminds me of using an Excel sheet. It's a really capable thing that's built into R programming. The code snippets are pretty trivial, but I'll put them on GitHub just in case you want to pull them down and see them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for giving me your 3 minutes. Wasn't much, huh? And I hope you learned all about data frames, and I hope you find it useful. If there's anything you want me to go over in R, please leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.